Good day to everyone. I am Aaron Justin Pinang and I am here to discuss to you the topics civil engineering, society, and other profession. Pag sinabing engineering, ito ay tinatawag na multidisciplinary profession kung saan madami ang nagtutulong-tulong para mabuo ang isang plano at yung mga nagtutulong-tulong ay madaming expertise. So ngayon, i-discuss ko sa inyo ang apat na profession kung saan madalas natin nakikita sa paggawa ng isang residential building. Architecture. Architecture is the art and technique of designing and building as distinguished from the skills associated with construction. The practice of architecture is employed to fulfill both practical and expressive requirements, and thus, it serves both utilitarian and aesthetic ends. So, si architecture daw, ang siyang gumagawa ng mga, nagde-design, kumbaga, ng mga bagay na kung saan dapat may pakinabang sa atin, pero ang ganda pa rin tignan. Siya yung nag-designer natin. So next, mechanical engineering. Mechanical engineering is an engineering branch that combines engineering, physics, and mathematics principle with materials science to design, analyze, manufacture, and maintain mechanical system. Ang mechanical engineering, sila yung mga inventors kung saan kapag may nasirang bagay, pwede nilang palitan yun na sila ang gumawa. Sila yung mga talagang tinatawag ng inventors. Next is electrical engineering. Electrical engineering, they are responsible for distributing power generation and analyzing data to ensure health and safety regulations are met. So, sila yung mga nagpapakita ng or gumagawa ng mga electrical wires natin dito sa loob ng mga bahay natin. Sila din yung mga gumagawa ng kung paano i-transport yung electricity sa mga tahanan natin ng ligtas at maayos. Civil engineering. Civil engineering is a professional engineering discipline that deals with the design, construction, and maintenance of the physical and naturally built environment, including public works such as roads, bridges, canals, dams, airports, sewerage system, pipeline, structural components of the buildings, and railways. Sila naman yung mga gumagawa ng mga bahay, pero sila lang din nakakamaster ng mga techniques kung paano ito gawin. Kunwari, gagawa ka ng bahay sa malapit sa lawa or sa mismong lawa, gagawa ka ng sa bahay sa gitna nun. May mga techniques silang na alam kung paano gawin yung mga ganung bagay.